Hello friends, this is Val from Twin Sisters Country Cooking. Today I'm really excited because we are going to make pie dough for the freezer. So let's get started. So for our pie dough in the freezer, we have gathered these little containers to put them in. So that's what we'll be using. You get them off Amazon. They were like $22 for a set of 25. So I'm not making 25 pie doughs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the pie dough. I'm going to roll it out and I want to par bake it for about 8 to 10 minutes at 350. And that way we can put it in the freezer and it will last a while. Well, here is our pie doughs for the freezer. When they cool down, we'll put these lids on them. And I don't want to put them on right now while they're hot. Okay, so we'll wait a while and then we'll put them in the freezer. Well, this one, we're going to make a tart. I'm going to add some butter. Spread some butter. Nothing like a flaky pie dough. Has that buttery taste to it. That is just very, very special. I don't know about you, but for me, having a good pie dough is the secret to a good pie. If you don't have a good pie dough, you might as well just pack the pie. Okay. Okay. All right, and I think, let's make a heart right here. That way it can vent. I don't feel good at that. Oops. There. There's a little heart. Now I feel good. Let's put a little more butter on there. Butter should help it brown and give it that buttery flavor, of course. It's so good. Alrighty. Off to the oven we go. Smells absolutely delicious. So we need to cut just a tiny piece because we want to try it. Okay, folks, our tart with our pie dough is done. We've already got 4 pie doughs ready to go for the freezer. As soon as they cool down, we'll put the lids on them and put them in the freezer. But I will say, having those in the freezer will be so convenient, say for school parties, for any kind of a social gathering that maybe you're invited to just the drop of a hat. So maybe it'll be so convenient to have that, or maybe even just on a day you don't feel like cooking. It's really nice having this kind of stuff in the freezer. So let's try out our raspberry tart. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. For me, it's all about the pie dough. So a little bit of flavoring. So we're going to try just a little bit of the flavoring, but it's the pie dough. I want to make sure it's good. Oh yeah, perfect. Vicki makes a good pie. Her pie dough is exceptional. And I have to try just one more bite because this is good. Thank you for watching our video. If you want to support us, please hit that like button and subscribe.